For new mothers struggling with breastfeeding, there are specific foods and routines that can help boost milk production and improve breastfeeding efficiency. In this video, we'll explore research-backed strategies to support lactation and make nursing a more successful experience for both mother and baby. Let's begin with Galactagogue Foods, which have been shown to help promote milk production. These foods have been studied for their milk-boosting properties and are used by many mothers worldwide. First up, we have oats. They're rich in iron, which helps prevent iron deficiency, a common condition that can reduce milk supply. Oats also contain saponins, which may influence hormones related to milk production. Next, Fenugreek, often consumed as a tea or supplement, has been shown to significantly increase milk supply. Research, including a 2018 systematic review, confirms its effectiveness in supporting lactation. Fennel seeds are another great option. They contain phytoestrogens that mimic estrogen in the body, which may help improve milk volume and even promote infant weight gain. Barley, rich in beta-glucan, can also be beneficial. This compound is linked to increased prolactin levels, the hormone responsible for milk production. You can consume barley in grain form or brew it into barley water. Brewer's yeast is nutrient-dense, offering B vitamins, iron, and protein. It's often used in lactation cookies and smoothies to enhance milk supply. Finally, green papaya, particularly unripe papaya, is a traditional lactogenic food in many cultures. It contains phytoestrogens and enzymes that may help stimulate prolactin production, improving milk letdown. Available in most Asian supermarkets, it has been used in cultures where formulas are not available to ensure that babies get sufficient milk supply. Proper hydration plays a crucial role in lactation. Since breast milk is about 90% water, staying hydrated is key to supporting milk production. Drinking at least 3 liters of water per day is recommended for nursing mothers. Dehydration can quickly reduce milk volume. Coconut water, rich in natural electrolytes, is another great way to stay hydrated and support lactation. Herbal teas made with ingredients like nettle, raspberry leaf, and chamomile can provide additional hydration and may offer mild galactagogue effects. A nutrient-dense diet supports overall health and promotes milk production. Healthy fats like omega-3 fatty acids from foods such as salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts enhance the quality of breast milk by improving its fatty acid profile. Protein-rich foods like chicken, eggs, tofu, and lentils provide the amino acids needed for milk production. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and moringa contain phytoestrogens and iron, which support both milk volume and maternal health. Carrots, rich in beta-carotene, are essential for lactation and can help stimulate the milk ejection reflex. Garlic is well known for its lactogenic properties and may help improve milk volume while encouraging babies to nurse longer. In addition to diet, establishing helpful routines can make a big difference in your milk supply. Frequent nursing or pumping every 2 to 3 hours signals your body to produce more milk. Thoroughly emptying the breast during each session is key. Skin-to-skin contact is another practice that can trigger the release of oxytocin, aiding milk letdown and strengthening your bond with your baby. Massaging the breasts during nursing or pumping can improve milk flow and help reduce blockages. Experimenting with different breastfeeding positions like the cradle hold or side-lying position can ensure a proper latch and more efficient milk removal. Relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or a warm bath can reduce stress, which in turn supports prolactin and oxytocin release. Certain supplements and professional guidance can further enhance your lactation efforts. Calcium and magnesium are important minerals for milk production, especially during times when your supply may dip, like during menstruation. Lecithin is often recommended to prevent clogged milk ducts, which can interfere with milk supply. A lactation consultant can help address issues like poor latch or incorrect pumping techniques, which may be hindering your milk production. It's also important to avoid habits and substances that can interfere with lactation. Excessive caffeine, certain medications like decongestants, and regular alcohol consumption can all inhibit milk supply. Make sure to limit or avoid these while nursing. By incorporating these research-backed foods, practices, and expert tips, you can help ensure a successful breastfeeding journey for both you and your baby. Remember, consistency is key. Keep a balanced routine, stay nourished, and enjoy this special time with your little one. Text on screen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on screen text.